Trees have been part of human life since the beginning of civilization. They have shaded our homes, fed our ancestors, and shaped the landscapes we live in today. Yet, despite how familiar trees are, we often overlook how deeply they support life on Earth. Trees may appear silent and still, but they are constantly working. They regulate the air we breathe, the water we drink, the climate we depend on, and the ecosystems that sustain millions of species, including us. Modern science shows that trees are not just beautiful elements of nature. They are living systems, performing complex biological, chemical, and physical processes every second. As the planet faces climate change, pollution, biodiversity loss, and rising temperatures, understanding the role of trees has never been more important. In this video, we will explore how trees support life on Earth. We will look at their role in climate regulation, human health, air quality, biodiversity, temperature control, and water systems. By the end, you will see trees not just as background scenery, but as one of the most powerful natural systems keeping our planet alive. Number 1, trees play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. One of the main drivers of climate change is the buildup of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Through photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide and use sunlight to convert it into energy. During this process, carbon is stored in the tree's wood, leaves, roots, and surrounding soil. This stored carbon can remain locked away for decades or even centuries. Because of this, forests act as long-term carbon reservoirs. Older, larger trees are especially important. Research shows that mature trees store significantly more carbon than young trees, both annually and over their lifetimes. Deforestation releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. Protecting existing forests prevents this release and helps stabilize the climate. Forests are considered one of the most effective natural climate solutions available today. When forests are conserved, restored, and responsibly managed, they reduce atmospheric carbon naturally and efficiently. Trees are not a replacement for reducing emissions, but they are a powerful partner in slowing climate change. Number 2, trees have a measurable impact on human mental health. Studies show that exposure to green spaces reduces stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Time spent near trees lowers cortisol levels, slows heart rate, and improves emotional well-being. Even brief exposure to nature can create these effects. Trees also encourage physical activity. Parks and green neighborhoods motivate people to walk, exercise, and spend time outdoors. Increased physical movement reduces the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Communities with access to trees tend to have better overall health outcomes. Researchers have found that planting trees in urban areas improves community health, reducing rates of cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Trees support both the mind and the body, making them a key component of public health. Number 3, trees can improve air quality. Air pollution is one of the leading environmental health risks worldwide. One of the most dangerous pollutants is particulate matter, which can penetrate deep into the lungs. Trees remove particulate matter from the air by trapping it on their leaves and bark. This natural filtration reduces pollution levels in nearby areas. Most air cleaning benefits occur close to trees, making urban and roadside tree planting especially important. Reducing air pollution lowers rates of asthma, respiratory illness, and heart disease. Trees provide this service continuously without energy use or infrastructure. In cities, trees act as living air purification systems, protecting human health through natural processes. Number 4, forests are among the most biologically diverse ecosystems on Earth. They provide habitat, food, and shelter for millions of species, from microorganisms in the soil to birds in the canopy. Trees support life at every level of the ecosystem. Old-growth forests are especially valuable. They contain complex structures such as dead wood, tree cavities, and layered canopies. When forests are destroyed, entire food webs collapse. Loss of habitat leads to species decline and extinction. Protecting forests preserves biodiversity, which is essential for ecosystem stability and resilience. Number 5, trees support temperature regulation. Urban areas tend to be significantly warmer than surrounding regions. This is known as the urban heat island effect. Concrete and asphalt absorb heat, raising temperatures. Trees reduce heat by providing shade and releasing moisture through transpiration. Shaded areas can be several degrees cooler than unshaded ones. This cooling reduces heat stress and heat-related deaths. Trees also reduce energy demand by lowering air conditioning use. This results in lower emissions and reduced energy costs. Trees are a natural solution to rising urban temperatures. Number 6. Forests play a crucial role in maintaining clean and reliable water supplies. Tree roots stabilize soil and prevent erosion. When rain falls, forests absorb and filter water naturally. Pollutants and sediments are trapped before reaching rivers and aquifers. This process results in cleaner drinking water and reduced treatment costs. Forests also slow runoff, reducing flooding risk. Many major water systems depend directly on forested watersheds. Protecting forests protects water security. Trees are more than scenery. They are climate regulators, health protectors, and ecosystem engineers. They clean the air, cool the planet, support life, and secure our water. And they do this quietly every day. Despite their strength, trees are vulnerable. Deforestation and climate change threaten forests worldwide. Protecting trees means protecting life itself. Planting trees matters, but preserving existing forests is essential. The future of our planet depends on how we treat these silent giants. Protect trees today, so life on Earth can thrive tomorrow.